Hi there, this is Pritha and welcome back to my channel. Today sharing how I like to prepare Baingan ka bharta. So let's start today's recipe. I have taken couple of potatoes, washed them well, cut slits in the potatoes. Roast in medium heat. Turn over when one side is done. If you don't know how long you should roast it, well, one tip is that it is ready when the charred skin turns white. Set it aside. I have taken handful of dried lentil dumplings. These are made with black gram, Urad dal Bori. You can fry and add as well, but I like to roast because this will add smokier flavor to the dish. When done, set it aside. Slit the eggplant and apply some oil on it. Roast in medium heat. Now scoop out the potato with a spoon. Allow the eggplant to roast well. It takes 20 to 25 minutes based on the size of the eggplant. Crush the dumplings. When the eggplant is ready, peel off the skin and mash it well. I'm cooking in vegetable oil, adding in some ginger, garlic, onion, fry for a minute or two. Add some tomato. Mix it well. Add turmeric powder. Fry till the tomato softens. Add green chili. I'm adding some bell pepper because I like the flavor of bell pepper. You can totally skip this if you don't like the flavor of bell pepper. Fry for a minute. Add potato. Add eggplant. Mix it well. Cook in medium heat. Add some salt to taste. Keep cooking in medium heat. I have already shared yummy eggplant with egg. You can check that recipe as well. Add dumplings, some sugar. If you have liked it so far, please check my other eggplant recipes as well. Keep stirring till it is done. Then add fresh coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook for a minute or two. I hope you liked today's recipe. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this recipe. Also, check my other recipes as well. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.